Everywhere you look on LinkedIn, YouTube, and tech blogs today, people are making a shocking prediction. Traditional RPA is dead and AI agents are taking over. If you are a professional working with tools like UiPath, Automation Anywhere, or Power Automate, this can feel incredibly alarming. You might be wonder if the skills you worked so hard to learn or suddenly became useless. Is it time to panic and complete switch career, or is this just another massive wave of marketing hype? Today we are looking at the brutal truth about AI agents, where they truly threaten traditional automation and exactly what you need to do to secure your job. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Techystack channel. To understand the future, we need to look at how these technologies differ. Traditional RPA is a loyal factory robot. It follows strict, rigid rules step by step. If you tell to click a specific button and copy the data into Excel, it will do it perfectly every single time, but it cannot think for itself.
A few moments later.
AI agents, on the other hand, are built with brain. Instead of following step-by-step code, you give them a goal like find the best shipping rates for this client. The AI agents will navigate websites and read emails, make decisions, and figure out the steps all on its own. This ability to think makes AI agents incredibly dangerous to low-level coding jobs. In traditional RPA, if a client changes a website layout, your robot immediately crashes because its selector is broken. But an AI agent understands the actual context of web page. It does not care if a button moved or changed color.
तू समझा? हाँ. नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
It still knows how to find it and keep working. Because of these companies are investing millions of dollars into AI. They want systems that don't need consistent maintenance. If your entire RPA career is based on only building simple clicks and copy workflows, your job is actively at risk. But before you throw away your RPA certificates, let's look at the real world corporate reality. Large organizations like banking, insurance companies, and health provider operators under massive data privacy laws and strict security rules. They need to know exactly why a process happen step by step for legal audits. AI models are famous for making mistakes, hallucinating, and being unpredictable. A bank cannot risk an AI agent accidentally sending $1 billion to the wrong account just because of it's an error. This is where traditional RPA wins. RPA provides a secure control, structured, and AI completely lacks. The future is not about choosing between RPA or AI. The real winners in the job market will be the developers who can combine both the worlds. Master developers are already using traditional RPA to handle the secure heavy lifting of data while using AI agents to handle smart decisions making along the data along the way. Don't run away from the AI revolution. Invite it into your existing workflows. And thanks for watching.